Okay, this is my 1950s, the guy said, cash register that I bought for my vac shop. Now, when I got it, this handle here was frozen in place somewhere in here. And some of the keys did not work. As you can see, I've been testing it. Clear that out. What would happen here is, like, for example, a pack of sanitary F&G bags. And that key's kind of frozen. There we go. I guess these are decimals. $3.22 a pack. And F would be for sanitary F&G bags. And I hope the ribbon is engaged. And of course, when you pull the handle down, it opens up the tray. And as we can see, the ribbon is kind of faded. Oh, and it's a nice oak drawer. Here's your dollar weights. And your change drawer. And here's the lever for the clear thing. And it's busted out. And this is separate. And here we have what was in this little thing here, which is like a label set up. I guess it was at a gas station or something. So, yeah, this is for my vacuum shop. And I guess these are like for tax, change, I guess that means. I don't know what this would be. I don't know what that would be either. Some of this stuff I don't know what it is, like TS. I don't know what TS is supposed to do. I guess this is for, like, record it or something. I'm not really sure. But if anyone has any info at all, I would like to know. Also, I don't know what brand this is. I mean, to me, it's just an old cash register. Or let's type in something. Hoover Type A bags. We'll make A the bags. 2 $2.99. And here comes our cash drawer, ready to put the $2.99 in there. Of course, with tax, it's $3 something. Sanitaire SC886. I would put like 300, no, 4, yeah, $399. And I guess maybe I can, no, that won't work either. And 9 cents. And there we go. There going to be taking a new sanitary home with them. So, of course, back then, I'm sure vacuums didn't cost that much. But since sanitary is a commercial vacuum, I might as well charge that much. Or Abyssal Power Force Helix. I wouldn't charge much since the thing is a piece of shit. $65. Oh wait. And 88 cents. I'm gonna be taking a new Bissell home. And there we go. Also, you can lock the little tray here so that it don't come out. So, I guess there we have it. Vintage cash register for my vac shop. I'm not quite sure what year in the 50s this would be from. I'm pretty sure it's the 50s. Because of just judging by what 50s machines look like. I had an add-in machine, I think by Remington, that looked exactly like this part, and the label said it was from 1950, I think 56 or 57 maybe. I'm not really quite sure, but there is my new, to me, you can tell this thing ain't new in general, cash register for my vac shop. And I will keep up to posts, and also tell me how you like the video. Tell me what you guys would like me to show and give a video of, and I will see how I can make the video and what I can do to make it. So, until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye.